Welcome back, everyone. I know I'm doing shingles again. Honestly, I think it was the last time that I was on the mill I was doing shingles. That's when the drive belt went. So I just put a brand new drive belt and a new tensioner belt on. Jeez, the heck was that? Anyways, where was I at? Anyways, so I got shingles here. I got to get this rabbit hutch off of my plate. So if you don't know, we've just been biblical rain after biblical rain, and then now we're in this kind of dry spell for like 4 or 5 days. So I knocked down, I don't know, 20 acres yesterday of hay. So that's why I'm not doing anything to it today, because it's really, really wet. So thought I'd get up here and get these done and off my plate, and then tomorrow and the next day and the next day we can get all the hay in. So that's what I'm doing. I've already made a couple of them. So that's where we're at, and we're going to just keep on going. All right, this is either the last pass or the next to last pass. We got 89 in the bucket. All right, so sticks are out. We're going to go down. Touch. Get out 5/8. 1, 2, haven't had this up since I turned the camera off. Now I turned the camera on. Damn. Kiss my ass. So 89, 93. And that's the last one. That's it, people. The fork getter done. So what did I say? 90, 93, 97. 97. Hopefully, we're good. That'll be close. 97. Oh, now, I can't leave these up here. These got to go back on the tractor because we're going to be doing hay. All right. 97. Well, I was hoping for 100. There's this. I already ruined one blade today because I tried to squeeze one more damn row out. So, let's get this thing rolled back. Lock her down. Loosen up the blade. Okay. We'll open this up. Where are you at here? I don't even know what you can see. Can you see what the hell is going on now? Yeah. All right, so that goes in there. This goes back on. Just like that. New belt seems to be humming right along. Oh, I'll put this in. Oh, jeez. Christ. I think wife wanted that. Get my screw gun. These are going to go in the firewood pile. Whew, they're warm. All right. Well, I'm going to get cleaned up here. Take this stuff down. I'm probably go rake some hay. So, but there we go. So, 97 shingles, and we'll see. I'll probably get up tomorrow morning because we've been getting dew at night. It's been going down in the 60s again. So maybe I'll put them on in the morning, and I'll just add this to the video. I'll do that. So instead of checking out. So right after this, you'll see me put these on, and then we'll check out. So see you in the morning.
We look to the mountains. We don't care if it's only a dream. Nothing is really what it seems anyway. Now little by little, in the twilight's gentle flow, in the dance of fading light we grow. And all the warnings, when you wanna be loved by everyone, you get fooled by anyone so easily.
All right, guys, you watched me there just a couple minutes or a second ago. Working, I quit. It was so hot here. It was ridiculous. But I have the roof is done now, except for one shingle right up there. I'm one shingle short. Unbelievable. So that is my luck, the way things have been going. I think it looks pretty good. And originally I was like 90-degree in these things with my chop saw and blah, blah, blah. And I quit doing that because I like the like rustic look that it gives it, that because when I cut the blocks for the shingles, I cut them with a chainsaw, so they're not square. I don't have $1,000 skill timber saw, so with a 16-inch blade. Anyways, so I gotta trim this off. If I wouldn't have put this last row on, because if you look right here, the second row down, it made it to the end. And what I should have done was I should have just put cut a 3/4 inch board, which I have, and just put it like 6 or 8 inch board and just laid it along the top, and it would have been perfect. But I didn't do that. So, yeah. Oh my, oh my. But I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, I'm one shingle short here. 7 1/4 inches. So I'll get that, and then I'll just board and batten the ends, strip this wire on the ends, and fill it full of rabbits. More food for the homestead, more food for the dogs, and we sell the meat and we sell the rabbits. So when Facebook allows us, God forbid you offer, quality products on there. But, you can shake your booty on there all day long. So, anyways, thanks for watching. I have to go rake hay and put hay in today, tomorrow, and Monday. So that's where we're at. So see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. And please hit that thumbs up. Please leave a comment. What do you think of this? I'm not sure what's all going on with this video. I forget. I got so much going on right now. I don't know if I'm coming or going. So, and yeah. So anyways, peace out, people. Subscribe. Really appreciate it. Doesn't cost you a thing, man. To hit the subscribe button. Let my video play. So, all right. Catch you later.